Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by cutting power and confirming 0V, safety first. Next, identify the spade type and any retaining clip so you know what to pry. Use a small flat tool to lift the locking tang while you hold the connector steady with needle nose pliers. You're releasing tension, not yanking. Once the tang is lifted, gently pull the wire out straight to avoid deforming the spade, and make sure you keep the terminal orientation in mind for reassembly. Once done with the initial release, focus on freeing a crimped or stuck terminal without damage. You should support the wire close to the crimp with pliers, then use a thin flat tool to slightly spread the crimp wings, only 1 millimeter or 2. This reduces strain on the conductor. If a retention tab is recessed, use a pick to depress it while you pull. Make sure to release tabs evenly. Twisting can ruin the terminal's contact surface and cause poor future connections. To finish, inspect the removed spade for bent tabs, corrosion, or frayed strands so you can decide whether to reuse or replace. If damage exists, recrimp or swap the terminal. A proper crimp ensures mechanical strength and electrical continuity, so test with a meter before powering up. Make sure to seat the terminal fully when reassembling. If a terminal is stubborn, one troubleshooting tip is to apply a small amount of penetrating oil. Wait 10 to 15 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.